Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on cube roots. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here. Otherwise you can subscribe at the end. Cube roots. The real number line is made up of infinite real numbers. Each of these numbers has a cube root. So rule 1, each real number on the real number line has a cube root. It is written as the cube root of x. Rule 2, if x is positive, then the cube root of x is positive. And the example, the cube root of 8 is 2. And this is the reason. It's quite obvious. Rule 3. If x is negative, then the cube root of x is negative. So the cube root of minus 27 is minus 3. And this is the reason here. Rule 4. If x equals 0, then the cube root of x is 0. And that is fairly obvious. Now here's another example. The cube root of 8 plus the cube root of minus 8 equals 2 plus minus 2. Now 2 plus minus 2 is actually 2 minus 2, as we saw in an earlier video, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Some more examples. The cube root of 64 times the cube root of 8. Now the cube root of 64 is 4. The cube root of 8 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. The cube root of 125 divided by the cube root of 64. The cube root of 125 is 5. The cube root of 64 is 4. So the answer is 5 over 4, which is 1 1/4 or 1.25. The cube root of 1000 by the cube root of 125. The cube root of 1000 is 10. The cube root of 125 is 5. 10 times 5 is 50. Expressing cube roots as indices. Cube roots, as discussed in the earlier slides, can also be expressed using index notation. So the cube root of 8 is the same as 8 to the power of 1/3. And that answer is 2. The cube root of minus 27 is minus 27 to the power of 1/3. So the cube root of minus 27 is minus 3. Now here's a quick quiz to help you with your understanding. Please check through the video at any time to help you. The answer to the puzzle, what is the meaning of the following? Center of attention. And look at that, isn't that a little bit tricky? There's the hint there. How did you go with it? Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and please check through the video at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe on the next slide and you will receive a notification as to when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.